Hey, it's Ann, and I'm here with a 2-minute tutorial about the toes. I'm talking about bunions today and shoes. One thing you never need to thank your mother for are your bunions. If you have any kind of big toe issues, including bunions, but also just a stiff big toe or other foot pain, it may be contributed to by your shoe selection. So let's look at the big toe in particular, and we'll do a little test to see if your feet are being affected in the same way that mine have been by my previous shoe selection.
All right, here's the test. Wiggle your big toes up and down without letting your other toes leave the ground. That could be a challenge in and of itself, but see what you got. See how my toes are kind of coming up and away from each other? That is because they have been trained to follow that gait or that pattern when I'm in this shoe, or any shoe actually, that is not adequately giving my toe spacing. Okay, so here's what we do. Grab a pencil or something else that is a good little target. Practice winding up into this position so you can kind of do a little twist and plant. And then we're gonna just try to tap the big toe over to the pencil without cheating with the rest of the foot. It's really challenging. This is like several weeks of work for me. This is like a regression. In fact, I can't even show you the next step because I can't do it yet. Let's try it. So if you wanted to, you could raise your toe and then reach down and tap it. Ooh! And then raise it up in line and then tap it as you reach out. We're working on this adductor over here. So if that toe wiggle test gave you similar results, then you can definitely add that movement into your barefoot repertoire, getting a set of 10 to 20 in on each toe each day, and just getting your feet out of the shoes in the meantime, and transitioning to more shoes that have a wider toe box so you can wiggle those toes. All right, go get it done.